The Reserve Bank of India is transforming the banking landscape and the world is taking notice. With its in-house innovations, RBI has bagged the prestigious Digital Transformation Award 2025 by UK's Central Banking for revolutionizing its operations with two cutting-edge initiatives, Saarthi and Pravah. For nearly 90 years, paper-based processing was the norm, but RBI made a strategic leap, replacing outdated systems with Saarthi, which digitized all internal workflows. Launched in January 2023, Saarthi has empowered over 10,000 active users with up to 5,000 logins daily. It has helped employees store and share documents securely, improving record management and increasing options for data analysis through reports and dashboards. Then came Pravah in May 2024, a game changer for regulatory applications. Now, external users can submit applications seamlessly with complete transparency. Documents submitted and processed through Pravah are then plugged into the Saarthi database, where they can be handled digitally across the RBI's offices with centralized cybersecurity systems and digital tracking. Pravah has so far allowed more than 70 different regulatory applications to be digitized, supporting the work of 9 RBI departments. Within a few months of its launch, over 2,000 applications were filed through Pravah, marking an 80% increase in monthly applications. Other than raising efficiency, Pravah adds to transparency by giving RBI managers a dashboard to review the status of each application. Applicants also get a clear view of the progress of their application, which was previously impossible under the paper-based system. In addition to this, initiatives like Saarthi Pathshala, Saarthi Mitras alongside extensive in-person training have ensured a smooth transition for the RBI staff. They are now more open to using additional digital products as well. With Saarthi and Pravah, RBI has not just gone digital, it has redefined the future of banking operations, strengthening India's financial ecosystem. Stay tuned for more such stories of Bharat by MIB.